Anything you do, try to make the best of it. As long as it's good, I got something to prove, but to myself.
So another video, I'm outside enjoying this nice meal, delicious meal, tasty meal, that special sauce. And yeah, I went solo. Yeah, I rate this a 10 out of 10 though, to be honest. Even though I said it in the video though. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Even though I do want to be seen more when it comes to, cameras. Yeah. Got camera shy. Don't be like, I'm telling you, like, don't be camera shy though. Camera shy is, even though it's an option to, show your face on camera or whatnot, but still, like, don't, like, never give up on, trying to better your confidence. So, you're trying to have a good day, if possible, today. So, whatever y'all going through, just keep your head up. Yo, this shit buzz. Shit buzz though. You want some sight? W Eats. I actually should have got the drink with that. That's the art museum, by the way. I did a vlog over there. Welcome to this video, and we're doing art. If y'all haven't yet, make sure y'all go check it out. If y'all haven't yet, though. Yeah, it's not much at the art museum, but it's still worth going. If y'all ain't Allentown, it's still worth going though. Get creative. And, besides the art, like looking at art pictures is cool. As far as taking pictures. But other than that, yeah. Other than that, it's kind of boring. So I should have recorded it, but I was in my zone, listening to music.
10,000 hours got it mastered. Can't see the pattern. Last time I checked, I'm still high, real high. Kept it dope without a pill pot. Bill Cosby, steady climbing to the hill.
It looks like a news place or something, right? Am I right? Like, it looks like a news place to me. To me, it does. I don't know about y'all, but if I just flew my arm.
Yeah, I got a passion, and I'm always too different. Full of rust,